Back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna check out a 15-in-1 multi-tool. It's great for camping, outdoor. It's really for hiking, adventures. What I love about this is beautiful case. Look at this case right here. Comes right here. It's a very good case, and you could put this on your belt. It goes through your belt or backpack or wherever you want. And right in here, it tells you guys real quick all about it. Look at this thing. It's a needle nose pliers like that, basically. And it gives all these stuff from file to beer opener to a knife to a saw to every single thing you need. Summertime in New York here, and it's a lot of hiking, outdoor activity, and especially we want to get some hunting going on or camping. This is what I recommend for everybody right here. You need one of these. Look at this. Really compact. It's a good quality overall. For more price and details, check in the description box. Always, it's amazing. It was made really well. It's a great idea for like a Father's Day gift, a birthday gift, outdoor, Boy Scout, adventure, going hiking, camping, wherever you're going. This is something really handy. Want to unscrew stuff, tighten up bolts. You could cut any firewood. You could cut fruit, vegetable, wherever you're outdoor. You could screw something, cut something, open up some beers and whatever you want. It's everything you need for a great adventure, and something like this you just want to feel a little bit more safe. So I definitely recommend it. So when to close it, you just pull this back. We're gonna pull this back right here. Just always watch your hand, and then you close it in easy. Same thing goes with all. You have another one here. You just push that button down, and then you close it back easy. So listen, this thing is pretty handy. I'm gonna have a lot outdoor fun with this thing. Pretty cool. And then you fold it back up. Look at that. It's amazing. We're gonna close this one a little bit more. See that? Can you go wrong, right? That's pretty neat. And then you could just put it back in your case. Put this in your belt, wherever you want to hook it onto. And nobody knows what you got in there. You're ready to go.